Welcome to the What the Food series. According to the rule of compounding, the real magic starts when there is a second cycle. And that's what our second generation entrepreneur like Ritesh, who is a franchisee owner of Moti Mahal, is proving. From Delhi to Haryana to Punjab, he not only building his father's legacy but redefining the food culture in India. रितेश, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग अस द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टॉक टू यू। तो थोड़ा बताइए आप हमारे ऑडियंस को अबाउट योरसेल्फ एंड व्हाई डिड यू चूज मोती महल।
So hi, my name is Ritesh, and basically I'm the second generation owner of this outlet, and we started this back around 7 to 8 years, and my dad basically had this idea of taking up this Moti Mahal Deluxe franchise. And why Moti Mahal? Because I think of the legacy it has from inventing tandoori chicken and butter chicken around 40-50 years back, I think, to now being one of the, I guess, most known franchisees all over Delhi. I think it's been a wise decision from our end.
Okay, great. So as you are an young entrepreneur, I just wanted to know restaurant business ही क्यों? कोई AI startup build कर लेते?
Well, AI is nice, it's evolving, but I think मैं जिस surrounding में पैदा हुआ हूँ, it's been all about the restaurant business. You know, so my dad has experience of over 20 to 25 years, and he knows everything in and out. सारे staff, सारी teams, सारे operations, and all recipes, everything he has with him. Okay. And so मेरे को एक base ready मिल रखा है. I think it makes more sense for me to just build on this legacy rather than start something else. AI is also nice. It's really fascinating. But I think this has more potential for me in future as well.
Absolutely. So as you were talking about the legacy, आपको कभी लगा नहीं that while you are building your father's legacy, he built the foundation. You are competing with him and seeking his validation.
It's not about seeking validation. I think मैं उनसे compete नहीं कर रहा. I think it's more about complimenting him. My goal is not to outshine him because he started everything from scratch and he has faced more difficulties than what I can even imagine of. Okay. मेरे को तो एक base मिल रखा है. I am quite spoon fed when you say about this business. So my goal is to just build on his legacy, use his experience to my best of capabilities and just do what the best I can.
So as you are the franchisee owner of Moti Mahal, I just wanted to know if I myself want to start a franchisee, want to build a franchisee or want to own a franchisee, what is the one piece of advice that you want to give to the new generational entrepreneurs?
Well, what I feel, what I have learned over the years in my little experience is that you should not chase trends. I think you should choose something which has a legacy attached to it. I think आजकल लोग ज़्यादा trends के पीछे भागते हैं, ज़्यादा hype के पीछे भागते हैं, but rather than doing that, because वो कुछ time तक रहती है and then it just fizzles out. So I think you should go for something which has consistency rather than just a one-time hype. And when you go in as someone who wants to own a franchise, I think you should go in as a customer कि आपको कहाँ जाके ज़्यादा अच्छी सर्विस मिल रही है, कहाँ आपको टेस्ट अच्छा मिल रहा है, कहाँ आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार मेरे को यहाँ दोबारा आना है. ये फीलिंग आपको कहाँ पे ज़्यादा आ रही है. I think you should go in as a customer and feel that before making your decision.
Okay, great. So I believe what you have said, that's actually the compounding effect that will help us to create a legacy. So guys, this is Ritesh, the franchisee owner of Moti Mahal, and I hope you will seek his advice and connect with him anytime to own your own franchisee. Thank you.